that good?
To agree to get the next one.
Thank you.
Unidentified air traffic near the west perimeter. Reroute power generators to TF9.
Galaxy's Edge.
Ships are serviced and ready, Commander. Astromechs in rotation.
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9 Num, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Rey.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First-Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Right, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. No time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors open now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9 Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative.
the car.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, get the clear path to transport and make a jump.
Taking evasive action!
Try to shake it, Blue!
I'm trying!
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw them away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractory. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Tell what the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Silence. Passengers aboard TR-141 are all under the jurisdiction of the First Order, except for your interrogation.
Shh, don't tell him anything.
Yeah, just try to stay out of trouble.
This part makes me really nervous. I don't know why.
I know.
Like, they're so mean.
Yeah, me too. I'm just scared. I'm so scared.
How many?
2.
This way. Towards the end of the hallway.
At this time, look down at your feet and memorize the colors you're all standing on. It's vital for your interrogation. Once this cell door opens, red and blue will go in first, followed by orange and gray. Is that clear? Good.
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Lieutenant to you.
Schooled you, dude.
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant. order we're supposed to go in? I forgot already.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Just don't make eye contact with her and we're fine.
Okay, don't look at her.
Off the wall, this is your house. Red and blue inside.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Wait, you're still here? Supposed to have with an attack force. Get to the escape pod now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recursos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
Starway on either side, I'm so well fly up. Our fight's gonna get you guys up.
Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Attention, recruits. Prisoners not seen on level D.
There they are! Fire!
Take cover, recruits! The escape pod is just below us. Take the lifts down. Hurry! No! I said down!
Requesting heavy movement authorization.
Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Oh, my hat's almost flew off.
Oh my gosh, your hat's on still?
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know.